Hi guys, this is Raymond from EVOffer. Today I want to talk more about the Model 3 Highland Performance seat. So in here you can see on my right side this is basic version, and on my left hand side this is the premium version. So next I'll talk about the difference between the two. You can see from the basic version this is the OEM style. The OEM style you can see the length is shorter than our premium version. So here you can see we add a little bit more length here. So if you are a taller person, so this one might be strictly better. And we also slightly increased the width a little bit on the premium version. So in here you can see the basic one is around 14 inches. And here you can see it's around 15 inches. So we add 1 inch of width. The next difference is the foam material. So I have two golf balls to demonstrate the difference between the two materials. So you can try to see. So this one is more bouncy and give you more support and makes the ride experience more comfortable. The third difference is the back. In the basic version, like the OEM one, we have a plastic back plate here. But in the premium version, we replace it with the leather. So you can also customize the color in this area. So this is the basic version. This is the premium version. Together, we also have some customized versions you can choose from our website. So feel free to visit our website and take a look in more detail. And feel free to contact us if you have any question or you want to have some kind of customized style of the seat. Thank you.